Okay, so you guys must have seen so many of these viral Tokyo Drift edit where people basically, recreate this edit with their own characters. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how you can do that for absolutely free. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, you're gonna go to YouTube and search over here Tokyo Drift template and make sure you have this video with you. And first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and simply download this video because we are regenerating this with our own characters. So I'm going to download this with this website, which is Y2Made. It is absolutely free. You can literally download any YouTube video in any quality for absolutely free. I'm going to simply go ahead and download this in 1080p format. Okay, so once our video is downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and play it. So what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and simply take screenshots of the scenes from here that we will regenerate in Google Gemini and then animate them later, okay? So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot, let's just say from this scene. So make sure while you're taking screenshot, the face and the whole body of your character is very much visible so that your generations come out good. So first of all, I'm going to take screenshot of this scene from here just like that. And then the next thing we need to do is we're going to go to Google Gemini and simply paste your screenshot right over here. And then the next thing you need to do is you're going to go ahead and take another image of your character that you want to input inside of this scene. So for that, for this scene, I'll be inputting Cristiano Ronaldo. So for that, I'm going to go to Pinterest, search over here Ronaldo, and take any image of Cristiano Ronaldo from here. Let's just say I take this image. I'm going to go ahead and copy this image with me as well. Come back to Google Gemini and simply paste it right over here. And then for the prompt, you need to go ahead and input this simple prompt, which is replace image 1 with image 2, have same image 1 background and everything, same 16:9 aspect ratio. And then you need to click on submit. All right, and after some time, Google Gemini is going to go ahead and create this image for you, which looks absolutely perfect, which will be animating it later. And similarly, you're going to go ahead and do the same for your next scene as well, which is this car scene. So I'm going to go ahead and take screenshot of this scene as well from the same video that we downloaded. And then going to go ahead and copy paste it right over here. Along with that, we are taking messy image with it and simply, copy paste the same prompt. And for that, Google Gemini is going to provide you with this output, which looks really, really good as well again, okay? All right, so the next thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and simply download both of our images right over here from Google Gemini. Okay, so for the next step, we need to go ahead and animate both of these images. So for that, I'm going to head to higgsfield.ai. If you don't want to go ahead and use Higgsfield, you can also do the same process inside of Kling AI as well, which is absolutely free because Kling AI provides you 150 credits to begin with, and you only need 20 to 30 credits for each of these scenes. So you can easily go ahead and create these videos with Kling AI. You can start for absolutely free, but I'm using Higgsfield because I do have the access of Higgsfield with me. Okay, so inside of Higgsfield, you need to go to this video section and go to this edit video section, and it's going to take Kling01 edit. And first of all, is asking me to upload the video that I want to edit. So for the video, I'm going to go ahead and upload the scene 1, the first scene of the Tokyo Drift edit that I want to, basically edit and input my own character. So I'm going to take this video, and for the character, I'll be inputting the image that we created with Gemini of Tokyo Drift image with Cristiano Ronaldo, okay? And for the prompt, you need to make sure you input this prompt. If you want this prompt, I'm going to provide you down in the description so that you can copy paste with you. It's going to say replace the character in the video with Ronaldo, and then you need to tag your character, tag your image, simply say at and do image 1 just like that, okay? Then perform the identical motion in the video. You're going to tag video 1, same expression, everything, just have my image character in the video. So then after that, you need to go ahead and click on generate, and similarly, you're going to go ahead and do the same for your next scene as well. Upload the next scene of the car, upload the image of Messi that we created with Gemini, input this prompt. I'm going to provide the prompt again down in the description, and simply click on generate. All right, and after some time, Higgsfield is going to go ahead and generate both of these videos for you. I'm going to simply go ahead and download both of these videos with me and come to any video editor of your choice. You can use CapCut or any. I'm using Filmora in this case. I'm going to simply drag both of these clips into my timeline, combine them together, then click export, and then this is how your final output is going to look like. All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create Tokyo Drift viral edits with your own characters. You can use Kling AI if you want to do it for free, or you can use Higgs field as well if you do have the access. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.